The 2026 Nissan Patrol represents a notable advancement in the evolution of this legendary SUV, combining refined engineering with modern luxury and off-road capability. The most significant update comes in the form of its powertrain, as Nissan replaces the traditional V8 with a more efficient twin-turbocharged V6. This new engine configuration not only delivers substantial horsepower and torque, but also enhances fuel efficiency, aligning with global trends in sustainable automotive technologies. Furthermore, the Patrol maintains its reputation for durability, featuring an upgraded chassis and a reinforced suspension system designed to handle both urban and rugged terrains with ease. Inside, the 2026 Patrol showcases a meticulously crafted cabin that prioritizes comfort, technology, and functionality. The interior is adorned with premium materials, a sophisticated infotainment system, and an advanced suite of driver assistance features. The spacious seating arrangement, capable of accommodating up to 7 passengers, ensures a luxurious and ergonomic driving experience. Additionally, the integration of cutting-edge digital displays and connectivity options reflects Nissan's commitment to innovation, catering to both long-distance travelers and daily commuters. Beyond its aesthetic and technological improvements, the 2026 Nissan Patrol excels in off-road performance. With an advanced four-wheel drive system, improved ground clearance, and terrain management controls, it remains a formidable competitor in the SUV segment. These enhancements ensure that the Patrol retains its legacy as a reliable and powerful vehicle for diverse driving conditions. In sum, the latest iteration of the Nissan Patrol exemplifies a balance between tradition and modernization, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts who seek both adventure and sophistication in their automotive experience.